our punk rock practice space. Brought the Revo with me. Man, I fished this Revo and the Savage. I mean, customers gave it to me on route. These trucks were in the trash. These trucks were in the trash, dude. And this 3.3, look at that. I would never run my shit like that. Somebody run that with the body off. That 3.3 is, I think, the best running nitro engine I've ever dealt with. This thing's been idling for an hour. It's 160. I mean, listen to this thing just purr. It's crazy. I've never seen something. God dang, like I just said. 161. I've never seen a nitro engine just sit there and run like that. What is the deal, dude? My race engines won't do that. It just won't quit. Anyway, this Revo and that Savage were just super in the trash, covered in cat hair and oil and piss, dude. I brought these back from the dead. I got a Savage, a Revo, and a T-Max. So the T-Max I chucked. It was too fucked up. I didn't want to deal with it. If I want a T-Max, I'll just buy a new one. I mean, they're fine. What I love about monster trucks is they go anywhere. I'm here at my practice space. This sucker's not loud either. These monster trucks are a good deal for nitro, honestly. You get to run nitro, they're not loud, they're fun as shit. And a nitro monster truck is a damn good deal. It's just, you can run them anywhere. I know I just repeated myself twice. I can't emphasize just like how much I think people should be messing with these things. There should be way more of these things. It's just fun. I think pouring some gas in the little engine just gets people out there messing with their stuff a little more. I've had such good luck with this Revo. I'm amazed. I just cleaned it up, fished it out of the crap bin, and it's been insane. This sucker's still idling, dude. It's nuts. Engines, which are super loud. Dude, take advantage, man, of running fucking nitro. You know, I'm on the side of the road right now waiting for band practice. So let me put a little more fuel in, man, and just keep having fun, dude. Yeah, this is pretty much just a tested. All I did to bring the Revo back from the dead is I had to install an on and off and just throw in a battery and just reinstall the electronics. I haven't ran this in about 6 months, dude. Yeah, long time. And it is bitchin', dude, bitchin'. I mean, other than that, I mean, this is just an old Revo. That's it, dude. I love this platform. It's like the Slayer. So let me fire this thing up and let's just get a couple more rips on this, man. driving style that's like crawling, kinda. You know? I call it bouncing. You're just bouncing your nitro along, dude. You can go over whatever the hell you want. You know? You're not going as slow as rock crawling, but you're just kind of mobbing around, dude. You know? I call it rock bouncing. And I'm gonna do it to it with the monster trucks. Hell yeah. These things are so fun. You know? I mean, if you live in a mountainy area like I do, it's all about the monster truck, man. Got a lot of passengers in there. Fun, dude. The general public's pulling into this place. I'm at the DIY cave in Bend, Oregon, where everyone builds shit, runs saws, fucking power equipment. Perfect place to run nitro. They're making noise. What up? I'm about to make noise at band practice. This thing rips, dude. I love it. Love it, dude. Makes me want to, you know, continue on more of a build on these things, dude. You know, mostly just testing it today. I want to take it to some climbing spots, see what kind of climbs we can do with the monster trucks. Well, Mr. Revo, dude. Good to go. Good to go, dude. That sucker will get through and over anything. Yeah, rock bouncing, dude. That's the style. That's the style, man. Just chilling out. Kind of climbing around. It's almost like dirt biking, you know? You just take your bike out, see what you can get over and around. That's all it is, man. Sucker gets it, dude. Nice fun rips, man. You know? Change my air filter when I get home. Hell yeah, man. Oh. Right on the side of the road, dude. Do it with the truck. Run them anywhere, man. We don't. You can build these monster trucks from scratch if you want. Take them apart. I don't think the Traxxas products are really conducive to like race kits that are for taking apart and rebuilding. I mean, you can go nuts with the build on one of these things, I suppose. After you do a ton of jobs on these, it feels like you rebuild them in a way. I mean, I would say I built this truck, dude. I know every component inside and out. I looked at the catalog. I mean, when you bring back something from the dead, you kind of do rebuild it. An RTR model is definitely can be just as fun as a kit, for sure. For sure, man. Oh, dude, and the monster truck, man, forget about it. That's why we started doing RC. These things are so fun. So fun, dude. I just can't believe how somebody was throwing this thing away, dude. Crazy. We were just chucking it out, dude. Get it out of here. So, get a couple more rips in before my band shows up. That's a tank, my dude. This thing is so killer, man. Anyway, what else about monster trucks? When you can paint your own bodies, you can put your own electronics in them, your own custom tires and wheels. You can do stuff with the suspension. You can, in the Traxxas stuff, you can drop in an OS. Monster truck engine, I did that in the Slayer. So you can do lots of stuff with them, man. So I just think monster trucks are a good way to bash and just get back to the real, man. How it all started, just running a car back and forth. So I'd like to do some hill climbs and simulate just some true off-road shit. So I'll find some other spots. I just wanted to test and tune the Revo, and man, it is a success, man. It's ready for the mission. So I got to go in there and play drums now. My name's Craig. High Desert Agro, RC, bikes, punk rock, reggae. Man, surfing, skating, board culture, all of it, dude. I live in Central Oregon, and very blessed, beautiful area. Enjoy the life. Peace out.